Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what those bright comets are streaking across it? Comets are celestial wonders just waiting to be explored. Comets are made up of ice, dust, and rocky materials. They are often called dirty snowballs because of their unique composition. These fascinating objects originate from two main regions in our solar system, the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, far beyond Neptune. When comets approach the sun, their frozen components begin to heat up, creating beautiful glowing comas and long tails that can stretch for millions of miles. The tail of a comet always points away from the sun, regardless of its direction in space. This phenomenon is caused by solar winds and radiation pressure. One of the most famous comets is Halley's Comet, which appears in our skies approximately every 76 years, captivating generations of skywatchers. Comets not only entertain us, but they also hold clues about the early solar system, containing ancient materials from its formation. The water and organic compounds found in some comets are similar to those on Earth, suggesting they may have delivered vital ingredients for life. Comets can also pose threats when they enter Earth's vicinity. Their trails can lead to meteor showers, causing potential impacts. Scientists track comets to study their orbits and behaviors. This helps us predict their paths and any potential interactions with Earth. Next, we will delve deeper into what could happen if all comets decided to head our way. Fasten your seatbelts for an exciting ride. Comets have different types, including long-period comets, which take thousands of years to complete their orbits, and short-period comets that return more frequently. Each comet tells a unique story through its composition and trajectory, offering insights into the solar system's history and the conditions that shaped it. Have you ever wondered what comets are made of? These fascinating celestial bodies are largely composed of ice, dust, and rocky materials. When comets venture close to the sun, they heat up and begin to release gases and dust, creating a glowing halo known as the coma. The coma can sometimes expand to thousands of kilometers in diameter, showcasing the comet's immense interaction with solar radiation. Another feature that emerges as a comet gets closer to the sun is its tail, formed by solar winds pushing materials away from the comet. Comet tails can stretch millions of kilometers long and are often composed of gas and dust particles that reflect sunlight. The tail typically points away from the sun due to the direction of the solar wind, creating a stunning visual effect. Interestingly, not all comets have the same tail. Some may have multiple tails, formed by different processes occurring at different times. The cycles of comets vary. Some take decades to complete their journey, while others may take thousands of years. As they approach and retreat from the sun, comets can shed large amounts of material, which contributes to the cosmic dust you see behind them. This shedding leads to the formation of meteor showers when Earth passes through this debris field left by comets. Comet orbits can also be unpredictable. Some comets can break apart, creating new trails of debris that can affect their paths. So, as comets near the sun, they show incredible changes, and their journeys are full of surprises, just like space itself. Stay tuned to discover what our world could look like if all comets turned towards us. It's beyond imagination. Imagine a sky filled with comets, each on a collision course with Earth. How would we prepare for such an unprecedented event? The immediate impact of a comet strike could be catastrophic, causing explosive energy released comparable to millions of atomic bombs. These explosions would likely create firestorms, incinerating everything in their vicinity and changing landscapes forever. The dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere could block sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter effect across the globe. With less sunlight reaching the Earth, temperatures could plummet, disrupting ecosystems and causing widespread famine. Moreover, the water cycle could be severely impacted, leading to droughts and water shortages in many regions. Comet strikes might also trigger seismic activity, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions across the globe. As life struggles to adapt, some species might go extinct, leading to shifts in biodiversity and ecosystems. On a social level, fear and uncertainty could lead to chaos and conflict among communities as resources become scarce. But beyond the chaos, humanity might unite in new ways, developing stronger cooperation to face the crisis of hailing comets. Scientific advancements could accelerate as we strive to understand and mitigate the effects of comet impacts. Our planet could evolve in unexpected ways, shaping new forms of life and ecosystems from the ashes of the old. Ultimately, while the threat of comets is real, it's essential to explore both the challenges and possibilities of such events. Have you ever wondered how we could defend Earth from a sudden comet strike? Let's explore some fascinating strategies that scientists are developing. One potential strategy is to use nuclear devices to deflect or disrupt comets. Imagine a team of astronauts planning this daring mission. Another idea is to use kinetic impactors, which involves sending a spacecraft to crash into the comet. Picture the spacecraft making contact. Then, there's the gravitational tractor method. Powerful spacecraft could maneuver close to a comet and use their gravity to subtly change its course. Solar sails are another intriguing approach. These giant sails could harness sunlight to nudge a comet away from Earth's path. Collaboration between nations is essential for these strategies. Imagine a global meeting of scientists united against a common threat. Public awareness is crucial too. If we're united in understanding the risks, we can take collective action to protect our planet. We also need improved tracking systems. Imagine high-tech telescopes scanning the skies for potential threats. A planetary defense organization could coordinate all these efforts. Imagine a super team dedicated to saving Earth from cosmic disasters. Lastly, we should invest in research and development. Picture bright minds working day and night to devise new solutions for our safety. As we consider these strategies, it's clear there are many ways to defend Earth from comets, but time is of the essence. Are we ready? Stay tuned for upcoming discoveries as we explore even more intriguing space phenomena and how they may affect our future.